The Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance Tire in 275/40R20 is an excellent choice for Dodge Challenger owners looking to enhance their car's grip, handling, and overall performance. This tire is designed for performance driving, providing superior traction, responsive steering, and cornering stability that's ideal for Challenger owners who like to push their car to the limits while maintaining everyday drivability. This AZ850 is built for high-speed stability, precise handling, and maximum road grip. Atturo has ratings for each category of the tire performance, so I figured it's worth mentioning here. They're gonna rate this tire a 10 out of 10 on grip, 9 out of 10 on handling, 9 out of 10 on braking, 8 out of 10 with wet traction, and 8 out of 10 on both street performance and quiet ride ratings. Featuring an asymmetrical tread pattern, this tire ensures optimal contact patch, leading to better traction, even wear, and consistent performance in both dry and wet conditions. A solid center rib in here in the middle enhances directional stability, providing a firm, controlled feel at high speeds while improving steering response. Now, as far as cornering performance, these large outside tread blocks have been incorporated into the design, helping to increase lateral grip and reduce body roll, allowing for more aggressive turns with confidence. Also, the tread compound is engineered to offer high levels of grip without sacrificing durability, making it a long-lasting option for performance-focused drivers. Now, even going beyond performance, this tread design helps minimize road noise, delivering a quieter and more comfortable ride, a balance between performance and daily driving comfort. This AZ850 tire is made with a reinforced sidewall structure, ensuring it maintains its shape under hard acceleration, braking, and cornering. The advanced rubber compound is designed for excellent heat resistance and longevity, making it a great choice for those who demand consistent performance from their tires. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this bad boy, it's coming in around the $200 price range per tire, making it a cost-effective way to get a more durable, performance-minded tire on your Challenger without breaking the bank. All right, that's gonna wrap up my review of the Atturo AZ850 Ultra High Performance Tire in 275/40R20. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.